One look at the 2015 Yamaha SR400 and you'll know the true meaning of the saying, everything old is new again. With classic retro styling that's virtually identical to the original SR400 dating back to the 1970s. It stood out then, and it's a standout now. Authentic mechanical beauty. One of the coolest looking, best performing single piston engines ever made. 399 cc's of air-cooled, pulse-raising power. No electric start here. With compression release and fuel injection. Just kick it and go. Let the others push the buttons. This is the real deal. With a true thumper character that's a pure blast to ride. And true retro styling that looks great from any angle. The low seat, the narrow body, the lightweight, combined with that smooth, torquey motor, make it as much fun to ride for the experienced rider as it is for the beginner. Let's say you're into vintage cafe racers or scramblers. That one thumper and elemental design make customizing a breeze. And if your practical side should rear its head, over 66 miles per gallon and a big 3.2 gallon tank means you're going to go a long way between fill-ups. When you ride it, don't be surprised if words like cool and far out start creeping into your vocabulary. That's because the 2015 Yamaha SR400 might just be a true time machine.